Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many other tasks. It was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Some of the key features of Python include: easy to learn and use. Python has a simple, easy-to-learn syntax that emphasizes readability and reduces the cost of program maintenance. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means that it is executed line by line, making it easier to debug and test your code. High level. Python abstracts away many of the low-level details of programming, making it easier to write complex programs. Dynamic typing. Python supports dynamic typing, which means that you don't have to declare the type of a variable before using it. Large standard library. Python comes with a large standard library that supports many common programming tasks, such as connecting to web servers, reading and writing files, and working with data. Some common use cases for Python include: web development. Python is often used for server-side web development, where it can be used to build server-side applications and apps. Scientific computing. Python is a popular choice for scientific computing, thanks to its support for numerical computing and data analysis. Data analysis. Python is widely used for data analysis and data visualization, making it a popular choice for data scientists and researchers. Artificial intelligence. Python is a popular choice for developing AI and machine learning applications, thanks to its support for numerical computing and the availability of powerful AI libraries. Automation. Python can be used to automate tasks, such as data processing, web scraping, and testing, making it a popular choice for system administrators and DevOps engineers.